shoe with a ball for a heel. I've seen this shoe from a bunch of different designers, and I just thought the concept of having a ball for a heel is super cool, so I wanted to challenge myself to make one. I am going to use Sugru glue. It's a moldable glue. It is really cool. It's like such a cool thing. I try to like incorporate it whenever I can because I just like working with it. So we're gonna use some Sugru. We just need some paint, brushes, and a pair of shoes. That's it. So if you want to see how I make this shoe, keep watching this video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take out your Sugru. All right. I'm going to use 2 for each heel. Then I'm just going to roll it into a ball. Now I'm going to take my shoe and I'm going to just stick it into the middle of the Sugru. Don't worry, it's super moldable, so we'll just remold it. Cool. And we'll just remold it into a ball around the shoe. So we're going to paint this. So I'm just gonna let it dry. Because it's moldable, it dries really hard and stays in place. So you shouldn't have any issues with that part. It's going to be as if it was just on the shoe. There you go, the ball. Make sure you leave a space for the heel right here so that you're not stepping on the ball and you are still stepping on the heel of the shoe. After you do both shoes, you just want to compare them, make sure they are even, they kind of look the same. You still have some time to mold it around, play around with it until it dries. And then once you have it to your liking and they are nice and even, you are going to just wait for them to dry, and then we're going to paint them. It's best to let the shoes dry overnight because you want to make sure that the Sugru is nice and dry. And then you are going to paint the balls. So I'm choosing to paint them this metallic silver color. You can choose whatever color you want. I thought it would be cool if it looked like a shiny like gold ball on the bottom of the shoe. So that's why I chose this paint. So I'm just gonna take my paintbrush and paint it on. I'm gonna do maybe 2 or 3 thin layers so I build it up instead of doing one like thick layer. That way the paint will stay on and you'll have less of a chance of flaking or it starting to peel off or anything like that. I would wait for each layer of paint to fully dry before going on to the next layer of paint. Just want to be careful to not paint the shoe and only the ball. So I'm using a really thin, small brush so I can get all the corners. So I put the first layer on and I'm gonna wait for that one to dry, and I'm gonna add about 1 or 2 more layers. And when they're done, they'll look like this. Super cute. I love the gold heel. If you choose to do gold, make sure you get a metallic gold paint so they can really pop and look like a solid gold ball. So it's something that looks super hard to do, but it turned out to be super easy to just add a ball to your shoe. And I love these shoes so much. I can't wait to wear them out. And if you like them too,
give them a thumbs up, share them with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you try it, be sure to hashtag Miss Anosha DIY so I can see your creations. I'll see you guys next time.